In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut video in Canva. Whether you're a content creator, educator, or just someone who loves crafting engaging videos, mastering this technique will certainly elevate your skills. Let's dive into the process and make your video editing journey seamless and enjoyable. First, navigate to Canva's homepage by typing canva.com into your web browser. If you already have an account, simply click the login button on the upper right corner of the screen. Canva offers various login options, allowing you to access your account using your Google credentials, Facebook account, or a traditional email and password combination. Choose whichever method you find most convenient and get yourself logged in. Once you've logged into your account, it's time to choose how you want to start your video project. Canva offers a multitude of templates to suit different purposes. Whether you're working on a promotional video, a presentation, or just posting for social media, you'll find a template to suit your needs. If you prefer starting from scratch, Canva gives you that option too. Take a moment to select or create the perfect canvas for your video project. Now, with your project open, navigate to the video content you wish to edit. Click on the specific clip you want to work with. You'll notice the Canva interface is quite user-friendly, but if it's your first time, don't hesitate to explore a bit to become familiar with the layout. Above the workspace, you'll find various tool options meant to enhance and modify your content. Look for the scissors icon, which is your go-to tool for trimming videos. Click it and you'll see trimming options appear, allowing you to cut or adjust your video length to your preference. You can drag the handles to pinpoint where you want your clip to start and end. This is where your creative judgment comes into play, so take your time to decide what portions of your video are most essential to your narrative. After you have adjusted the video to your satisfaction, make sure to click done to save your changes. It's always reassuring to check your trimmed video by playing it back to ensure that it aligns with your original vision. This way you can make any necessary tweaks before finalizing your project. And there you have it, your trimmed video in Canva is ready to impress. With a little bit of practice, you'll be able to edit with ease and precision. Remember, video editing is as much an art as it is a technical skill, so feel free to experiment with different lengths and clips until you get the perfect cut. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you on your Canva journey. Stay creative.